Nice one, guys. So basically, right here I have a few ingredients which I want to use with you guys today. So I'm gonna simply show you exactly how to do this one. All right, simple and also delicious. All right, now I got lemon, ginger, and I got some beetroot, cucumber, and green apple. All right, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this one. All right, so right here we got some green apple, and we have beetroot, ginger, and a few more ingredients. Okay, and we're going to blend it up and make a nice lovely drinks to cleanse your blood. All right, this is a drink how to cleanse your blood. Nice one. So we're gonna make a lovely drink today what you can use to cleanse your blood at home. All right, so first of all, let's go into this, and this can get you more even younger. Okay, so first of all, we got some cucumber which you're gonna also put straight inside of the blender like this. All right, that's half a cucumber. Right here we have one green apple. Right here we have one beetroot, and this is to help you to cleanse your blood at home. All right, trust me guys, this is a recipe which I've been working on for a very long time. All right, now I have some lemon which also I'm going to be using inside of it. That's half a lemon. All right, right here I have some ginger which also I'm going to be using inside of it. All right, we're going to put a few pieces of ginger inside of the blender like this. All right, so that's the ginger we have inside of it. Okay, now we have some water which you're going to also use inside of it. All right, we're going to use about 2 cups of water. All right, so this is just a drink what you want to make to help to cleanse the blood. All right, okay, now we're going to get some apple cider vinegar and blend it with it also. All right, so basically what I'm going to do, and I have some apple cider vinegar, I'm just going to put roughly about a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. All right, as you can see, all of the different kind of ingredients which I've been using, and this is very good to cleanse the blood and even look younger. Let's blend it up. All right, now we're going to blend this up. All right guys, it's a little bit piled up, but I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to need to do. Right, so that's my strainer which I'm going to be used to strain it off. Nice one. So basically I just finish blend it. All right, yeah, looking good. All right, so I just finished blend it, and as you can see for yourself how that looking rich and nice. All right, as you can see for yourself, this is it. We're going to strain it. All right, looking lovely and nice. All right, now what I'm gonna do, because it's a little bit full up, I'm gonna pour some in it first. All right, yeah. So basically, I'm gonna be straining it off like this. All right, as you can see it for yourself, that's what's going on. That's looking good. So I use some fresh beetroot, guys, and trust me. Nice one. I'm gonna put some more in it. This is very good to cleanse the blood, and we all know that beetroot is very good for the blood. Nice one. Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Yeah. That looking good, guys. I'm happy with that. You know what happened? I did not put any honey in it because I don't want to put no sweetness into your blood. So you just want to keep it natural like this, alright? Nice one. So, as you can see for yourself, guys, exactly what I've been doing. And I blend up all of my ingredients just to get it right. Just like that, alright? Beautiful and nice. Alright, now wow. That looking amazing. Alright, so what you want to do, to be honest with you, alright, trust me guys, this is just fantastic and an amazing drink. I didn't put any honey inside of it because I don't need any honey inside of it. Alright, now we're going to just pour that beautiful drink in it. Alright, look at that. Amazing. Wow. That is so lovely. Trust me. And that is amazing. Please enjoy it. For more tips on my YouTube channel. Alright? Look at that. Beautiful and nice. Fantastic recipe. Alright? Yeah man, I hit that guys. You guys will love this one. That was amazing one from Chef Ricardo today. Alright, so that one is to cleansing the blood. Stay tuned for more tips. Bye bye.